the wiring is done. The DC jack is soldered in. The 3.5 millimeter jacks are soldered in. So I'm gonna push this little sandwich down here. And now because we have those larger standoffs, the 10 millimeter ones with the washers, there's clearance for the DC jack. Otherwise with the 8 millimeter ones it wouldn't reach. So I got one of my leftover 8 millimeter standoffs that I conserved. I'm going to screw that up in there. Good. Nice. And for the other spots, I'm going to use these screws. So there are 3 more standoff legs. And I'm going to use screws for those. These little M3 guys. You can see some of the flux snot all over the bottom of this whiteboard. That's one of the drawbacks of using the white ones. It doesn't hide the snot very well. I guess I probably could have done a neater job, but I'm trying to do it quick for you guys. Right, got that other screw in there, and this other screw. Yep. Okay. Now the board is, the VGA board is connected to the oscillator board, and then I'm going to take the rest of my 8 millimeter standoffs with my little M3 nuts, and I'll put them in all 4 corners, and then I'll have a nice little stand for it. Because these the switches have these long legs, it wouldn't stand flat otherwise, and we got them anyway, so might as well use them. That's the idea. And I'm just hand tightening these now, but you might want to tighten them just a tiny bit with a pair of pliers. But the expression is monkey fisting. If you do it way too tight, if you monkey fist them, you could crack the board, which would be very unfortunate at this stage of the game. Okay, done. Ready for testing. Congratulations.